Hi earners, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a free email ID with your domain. This is actually a email forwarding service. So I come across improvemx.com website. This site forwards mails to your domain mail ID for free without paying any money with it. To do so you have to register with improvemx.com. The link to this site is provided in the description. Now enter your domain name and the mail ID to which you want to receive the mails which were sent to your domain email. Click on Create New Aliases. Now it will ask some basic details like your name, country and your occupation and from where you had heard about this site. Fill all these details. I am entering my name and my country, India, occupation, blogger. I came to know about this from ChatGPT. Fill all these details. Now save all the details. If you like my videos, please subscribe, comment and share with your friends. You will get an email for activating your ImproveMX account. Click on the mail sent to you and it will activate your account. Now you can enter your desired email ID. So now I am creating contact@techfin2k.com, info@techfin2k.com and support@techfin2k.com. You can create your mail IDs depending on your requirement. Now I am validating my account. As said earlier, fill the basic details and agree to the terms and conditions. Now for activating email forwarding service, you need to create MX records and TXT record in your domain name server depending on your registrar. I had registered my techfin2k.com with Amazon registrar. So I am logging into my Amazon account and now go to DNS settings, click on Create New Records and select Simple Routing and then define Simple Record, and leave blank in the subdomain box. Select the record type as MX Special Mail Servers and enter the IP details provided by improvemx.com. Copy the IP details. First enter 10 and give a space and then enter the copied IP, and then 20 space and copy the second IP from improvemx.com and paste it. Now select the TTL as 300 seconds and click on Define Simple Record. Then click on Create Record. It will take some time to sync or propagate the newly created MX records. Sometimes it may take 24 hours to propagate. No need to worry if it takes time. Now again we need to create TXT record. Copy the recommended value for the TXT record mentioned by improvemx.com and again click on Create Record. Define Simple Record and again leave blank in the subdomain and for record type select TXT record and paste the IP address which was copied and select the TTL time as 300 seconds. Click on Define Simple Record and click on Create Record. It will also take some time to sync. Now we had created the MX records and TXT record. We can check the status of email forwarding. By clicking on the Check Status button, you can see the status. It turned green and showing as email forwarding active. Now we can check whether it is working or not. I am using my another email ID, saying hi, and sending it to contact@techfin2k.com. You will get an email after successfully creating the MX and TXT records. See the mail sent to contact@techfin2k.com is received in my desired email ID. Thank you. If you like my videos, please subscribe, share and comment.